This is HTC Wildfire S ear speaker replacement guide. The first step will be to remove the back battery cover and the battery. Now, using a T5 Torx screwdriver, remove the 4 screws as shown in the video. This will be 1 small Phillips head screw as shown in the video. Step will be using a safe open pry tool to release the back housing. Simply glide it along the outside edges, releasing the clips. Also note that the power button and volume button will both come out. Set these aside until reassembly. The board exposed, there will be 2 small Phillips screws that need to be removed. Remove the small piece of tape covering the 2 jaw connectors. A safe open pry tool or a small flathead screwdriver, release the 2 jaw connectors and remove the ribbons inside the connectors. Release the 1 small jaw connector located in the video. Final step for removing the motherboard will be to release the volume button flex cable and the power button flex cable. Be sure to do this, otherwise these cables will rip when removing the motherboard. It's now fully released, so using a safe open pry tool or a small flathead screwdriver, carefully remove the motherboard from the rest of the phone.